Landlord Studio is the easiest way to ensure your rent is collected on time and in full every single month. Payments made through Landlord Studio are deposited directly into your bank account within 3 to 5 working days. As the landlord, you have complete control over the rent amount, partial payments, and can easily use the system to charge tenants tenant payable expenses. Our system gives both parties complete oversight of rent status and payment history. You can enable online rent collection when you first set up your property and lease. For an existing lease, navigate to the relevant property and select Edit Lease. Enable the option to collect rent online. You can then choose to pay the processing fee yourself or pass it on to your tenants. Now, we take security seriously, so when you hit save, we'll ask you to run through our streamlined security verification process. If your property is under an LLC or otherwise incorporated, select a business account. You'll need to complete this setup on desktop if you have a business account, otherwise select personal account. Enter your details. These will be checked against your ID documents later, so make sure they're correct. Next, you'll need to upload your ID document. This can be a driver's license, passport, or your state ID. The final step of the security verification process is to upload a short video clearly showing your face and your ID so that we can confirm that you are the owner of your uploaded identity documents. Once we've reviewed and confirmed your security verification, you can link the bank account you want the rent to be paid into. Enter the routing number and account numbers and save. The final stage to completing your online rent collection setup is to invite your tenants. You can select an existing tenant or add a new tenant, ensuring you have entered a correct email address for them. You're now all done and simply have to wait for your tenant to complete the setup on their side. To expedite this process, we recommend reaching out to them and encouraging them to complete the setup promptly. Invited tenants will receive an email with a unique link asking them to set up their profile on the tenant portal. Clicking on this link will take the tenant to the tenant portal where they'll be asked to create an account. Tenants will then need to link their bank account and then choose if they want to use autopay or if they'll manually pay each month by logging in to the tenant portal. Autopay will automatically transfer the rent amount to your account every month, making it easier for them and you. They can review or disable this setting at any time. From the tenant portal, tenants can view historical and upcoming payments, manually initiate rent payments, and pay their deposit and any tenant payable expenses. If you've activated tenant maintenance requests, then tenants will also be able to view maintenance jobs and submit new requests via the portal. Once a payment has been initiated by the tenant, you'll be able to see the payment processing status in Landlord Studio along with the expected date for the funds to hit your account. And that is a quick overview of the Landlord Studio rent collection feature. You can find additional information at help.landlordstudio.com, or if you have specific questions, feel free to reach out anytime.